He's just being mean, man, to me. Paul.
What? What do you want?
Are you my friend?
Fuck no.
He choked. That means he loves me.
Choked. What is he saying?
Cameron conversation.
Cameron conversation.
Literally
Everything you say is bullshit. And
No. Literally everything I say, you pretend like you don't understand whatsoever, and you just make me look like an idiot.
Cameron, I have no idea what you're saying. That's the problem.
There it is. He doesn't understand what I'm saying. I'm just
What is he
saying.
saying?
stuff.
What is he saying, Justin?
Why does he not get what I'm saying?
What are you trying to say?
I don't know. They have free NBA virtual currency inside.
Get out of my way.
Oh my god.
They got it. It's in here. It's in here. It's in here.
Garlic bread?
Nah, it's a football, baby.
Red 90. Red 90 said, hut. I want to be Tracer.
I'm already Acer.
Tired your bull.
You know what, buddy? What? You have the audacity to Snapchat me.
What is Audacity? Oh.
Audacity is a software where
Be
you can
quiet.
record music.
Thank you.
Slap me in the face right now.
Hey Johnny, what you eating for dinner?
You.
What is this?
Bye, Paul.
Alright, Justin, you have a good one.
Are you fucking kidding me?
What?
I got fucking rated. I lost 22 trophies.
Jermaine, let me hear your best British accent.
No, I'm not doing it. No.
Say brother.
Say,
You shut the fuck up, first of all.
Damn, so we really got another speech competition, bruh.
Vincent's quitting. Set. Hike. Go Jacob! Go Jacob! Woo!
So this morning he wanted to play music in my car. I said, okay, but if it's whack, I'm taking the aux cord away. He was like, he plugs it in and he goes, have you heard Mama by 6ix9ine? I said, give me it back.
Hello, my name is Cameron Taylor. And I like touching myself.
do Minecraft!
Do it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this guy sucks.
Hey guys, it's my friend Ryan's birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Ryan! Happy birthday to you!
How's it feel? How does it feel?
It's not my birthday.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey, Pharaoh, my African American.
Oh my god! Thanks, guys. Thanks. Good job, everyone. Great job. Hey, thank you. No, you rock, man. Thanks. No, thanks, man. Thanks.
I'm through with standing in lines and clubs I never get in. It's like the bottom of the ninth and I'm never gonna
Stop!
win.
Stop! Stop! Get down!
No. No. No!
Oh god. Don't do it. I was just trying to scare you.
Hi Justin, I'm Samantha, and this is In the Know.
We have received a donation box for a very important cause. For those that are not familiar with Mason's Toy Box, Mason's Toy Box is
Hey, YouTube, can we take a moment to appreciate
How cute Paul is.
No, don't give him that. Just
Oh my
stand
gosh.
here.
You permanently dented his
I forgot-
car.
No, it doesn't. Cameron, just don't move around too much.
Alright.
Start saying, just